Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel that life.
Today we will learn how to create speed ramp transitions. Enlarge the video layer. Next we come to speed from time remapping. Then increase the speed of the line. Increasing the speed will increase and decreasing the speed will decrease. This way I will increase the speed of each video layer. Our video has been sped up, and now if we play the video it will look like this. After that it is important to blur the video with speed. We'll take an adjustment layer. I will match the adjustment layer with the speed. Then I will bring the directional blur from the effect and leave it on the adjustment layer. We'll increase the blur length point in the middle and set the front and back to 0. If we feel we need to increase the blur length more, then we will increase it. Now see a blur effect with speed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks.